All right, so we are gonna make a really simple bean thread Asian inspired salad. You can have this anytime and use pretty much any vegetables you have on hand. We're using rainbow carrots and I kind of ribbon them.
Rainbow carrots!
And we have some chard. You could use regular lettuce, whatever type of lettuce you have or you like. I had chard on hand, so we're
kids
using
are very excited.
Yeah, they're so excited about rainbow carrots. Sweet potatoes, because we always have sweet potatoes on hand.
And the kids love those
and
too.
And the kids love them. Cucumbers. We got some cucumbers being cut up here. And bean thread noodles. So simple. Okay? So, and the bean thread noodles, you can get those anywhere in any Asian market or even in a regular market. The ones I'm using come in a bag like this. And we made a really good sauce. It's like an Asian inspired peanut sauce. It's basically peanut butter, a little bit of honey, and coconut milk, a little bit of soy sauce, and rice vinegar. And that's it. And if you want to make it spicy, you could put red chili pepper flakes in it or do sriracha, whatever you like.
Like the perfect light lunch,
yeah,
you know, or snack.
Yeah, light snack, and if you want to put cut up chicken on it, or you can even do beans or shrimp or whatever kind of protein you like.
Yum.
So I'm gonna just put it all together. A little bit of noodles.
Let's see what this looks like.
So a little bit of noodles here.
I'm going to lift
A little bit of carrots.
How much do you like the balloons?
Some greens.
You don't really need to know.
Some cucumbers.
It's for you.
And some sweet potatoes.
Yay. Mia said I can keep this ball.
Okay, and then just get a little bit of your sauce.
We were playing
You kind of want it nice and spreadable.
well,
And you just sort of drizzle that on however you like.
get rewards. So that I
Woo.
Yum.
And then you are good to go. And you can use as much as you want on there.
That looks delicious.
It's
Here.
gonna end up like this.
Yum, yum. Beautiful and super healthy.
Wow.
Here you go.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
I love